how to change the engine air filter in your Toyota RAV4. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Have my replacement filter right here. And this is super simple. This doesn't require any tools. We'll just release the two clips on the right side, and on the left side you see that it slots into a notch here and it slots into a notch down there. We just need to lift up and wiggle it. Now we have enough room to slide out the air filter. The filter's in on the back side. We just want to make sure that it's completely clipped in. So with it lined up on the left side, we can simply close the clamps. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.